And we can also tell you that colorful scenes were witnessed outside the White House in Washington, D.C. The Indian-American community performed an array of dances in support of Modi while Obama met the Prime Minister.
The serious talks will begin tomorrow. They will begin early in the day with the meeting between President Barack Obama and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. But today is the evening for festivities. In fact, here you can hear Indian music that's going on. Indian community has gathered here celebrating Narendra Modi, who is currently at the White House having dinner with President Barack Obama and his wife Michelle Obama, who is the hostess for this evening. In fact, the entire delegation, including External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj, at that dinner meeting. Also accompanying the Prime Minister are the National Security Advisor and the Foreign Secretary Sujata Singh. So it's a high-powered delegation. Serious business talks and strategic issues on the table, business issues, economic issues on the table. Also on the table is the strategic partnership between India and America on the fight against terror, and both countries joining hands with each other. How far both countries go in this cooperation? How much does the United States of America really look at India, and how much importance it gives to Pakistan will be issues that will be seen in the analysis after the meeting between Narendra Modi and President Barack Obama. But at this moment, what everybody is looking for really is the fact that Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister, is here for his first visit to the United States, and he is being hosted by President Barack Obama, and that is something that is a watershed as far as Indo-American relations are concerned. The relation between the two sides stagnating a bit, but let's also get a sense of festivity that is here. We are joined by people from the Indian community. Introduce yourself. What do you do, and why are you here today?
My name is Keyur. I am basically a software developer. I'm here obviously for all of us. It's the same reason we are here to have a glimpse of Modi, to support Indo-US relationship, and that's why we are here.
What do you think of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the meeting with Barack Obama? Do you think India is going to take this relationship to the next level?
Oh yeah, of course. You know, this meeting is really going to have Indo-US relationship. One thing he is going to brought up, issues like visas. For the one thing he has already cleared it off, like PIO and OCI cars. Right now, obviously,
that's a big issue for Indians here.
Of course, yeah. If a baby is born over here, he or she needs a PIO to be renewed every 5 years. But now, after validity of the entire lifetime, that's going to be a great thing. The other good thing is like he's going to brought up points like H-1B visas, which US is withholding for a few reasons. He's going to get those rules a bit smoother, and obviously many other reasons.
What is the new enthusiasm for supporting? Would it be for any Indian who comes here, or is there something special about Narendra Modi?
Narendra Modi ji has created that whole environment. The vigor and the leadership that he has shown us is something that we really would like to follow, and something that he really told us: start small, achieve big. And that's the thing that stuck to us starting from his speech yesterday. So we were at the Madison Square yesterday supporting him. We were here today, and we are also going to be there tomorrow when he's going to visit all the memorials to support him. It's going to be, we are very active in the Indian community. We just want to show that when our Prime Minister is here, we still want to give him the support. We still want to show him our love, and we want to show the love for our country.
Former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh has also made several visits. Did you come out and support him also?
No, we did not.
Why?
Because it was not probably as advertised, or not as the vigor, the leadership skills that you see with Modi ji. He's not only coming in across as being the Prime Minister of India. He's coming across as being a very great leader, a leader who's changed the whole face of Gujarat, and we are looking for him towards him to do the same for the whole of India.
So you think you're here because you're a Gujarati?
Yeah, definitely. I am Gujarati, and as an Gujarati, I feel proud about this, that Sri Narendra Bhai, and I may tell you that Vivekanand Swami was respected like this years together back. Now is the time that Narendra Bhai is honored like that. And this is the second person that in the America he has been respected with the red carpet. And definitely, three things are required to having a good industrial relations. I mean, prosperous industries, and that requires like land, labor, and capital. US has got land and resources like capital, and India has got skilled labor and unskilled labor also. When both these countries join together, definitely.
So you have a full economic policy for Narendra Modi there, and why are you here?
I am Narendra Bhai coming here, so I am everybody enjoy.